The OnePlus 12 Review. Design and display. The OnePlus 12 features a sleek design with an aluminum frame and a curved display, providing a premium feel. The rear panel is made of etched glass, offering a unique texture reminiscent of sandpaper. It boasts a 6.82-inch OLED display with a 120 Hz refresh rate, ensuring smooth visuals and vibrant colors. The device has an IP65 rating, making it resistant to dust and splashes. Performance. Equipped with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, the OnePlus 12 delivers exceptional performance, capable of handling demanding applications and multitasking with ease. Benchmark tests indicate that it competes closely with other flagship devices, offering a seamless user experience. Camera system. The OnePlus 12 is equipped with a versatile camera setup, including a 50MP wide sensor, a 64MP ultra-wide sensor, and a telephoto lens. This configuration allows for high-quality photos across various shooting scenarios. Battery life and charging. The device houses a substantial battery, offering impressive longevity. In various tests, it has demonstrated superior battery life compared to its predecessor, the OnePlus 11. The OnePlus 12 supports 100 watts wired charging. Overall, the OnePlus 12 stands as a formidable contender in the flagship smartphone market, offering a blend of premium design, robust performance, and competitive pricing. Thank you so much.